They'll know my opinion of court packing when the election is over. Now look.
Well, sir, don't the voters deserve to know?
No, they don't. I'm not going to play his game.
You suck and you know it.
Corrupted by power, in my view, unveiled his court-packing plan. He wanted to increase the number of justices to 15, allowing himself to nominate those additional judges. It took an act of courage on the part of his own party institutionally to stand up against this power grab.
You're such a hypocrite!
Man, that sucks!
Why?
Hey guys, Mr. Burgundy here. If you would like a badass soap from a badass company that helps a badass cause, then please check out the Hero Soap Company and their awesome line of soap products. You can find all the information you need in this video's description and pinned comment.